Hey, come and unbox with me. So we have these beautiful boxes. Not every brand sends you these nice boxes, which I appreciate, highly appreciate that to organize cosmetics. This one is different. This is just with a slot. The other one was magnetic. As you see here, it's a bit more practical, but to store some things. It's really cute. And oh, look at these. Oops. By the way, I'm trying the new, or no, it's not so new anymore. The Gucci gloss in coral, Sadie coral, I think. And it turned them a bit more red. By the way, I do like the smell, the scent. It's a bit candy-like. Well, who cares? So I've got a retractable kabuki brush. So this came with my order, for orders of at least 70 euros. This was gifted with it, and this is the normal brush they are selling for, I think, 50 or 60 euros. And wow, I expected it to be big. Okay. Oh, you're a baby. Look at you. This is very cute. And actually the perfect fit, because I ordered the Skin Tint. Well, let's try that together tomorrow. Well, I don't want to, let me do that precisely. I don't want to bend the bristles. Yeah. So that was small, unexpected, and this wow, this wrapping is different from the other parcel. Okay. Let me get the stuff. Do I need maybe? I cannot even use my teeth because I'm wearing this glass. Alright, I need scissors. Give me a second. Ooh! Oh no! No. Ta-da! I'm back. I made it. This is the Tint. I got it in 9C. I know for summertime I would be rather the 10N, which also had somewhat of a olive undertone. And sorry, there was some here we are, some Alexa management in the background, but now I'm back. I'm back on track, and yeah, I think 10N neutral would be great for summer. It has some olive undertone to it, so it looks more natural than, say, a more orange tan one. And I just thought 9C would be a nice rosy medium, because lately I just bought all my foundations way too light, in a very light neutral shade that made me look ghostly. So I did not want to pick the next one was, I think, 7N, and I was scared to make the same mistake again. So this is so small, very cute and handy, and I love it. And then I got the bronzer. Oh wait, it's the face and eyes match. Okay, and got it in shade 4, which my pronunciation is weird, sorry. Shade 4, which is the second to deepest shade, but I'm pleasantly surprised. It's not that. It could have been worse and darker. So wait a minute. Wait a minute. The formula of this and the blush is actually quite similar. But the blush has some kaolin in it. The bronzer doesn't, and I sadly must say, by the way, I over bronzed today to demo the RMS bronzers side by side. Come and watch my short. Okay, this is, oh shoot, oh no, I thought it was gonna be cool and now I regret not. Should I have seen? It looks so neutral in the pan. No, I did not expect it to be this warm swatched. I really didn't expect such a strong yellow undertone. I mean, I hope this helps. Now you know. Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. By the way, just to swatch this baby again, I also got the Playful Rosewood blush. Let me show you in the pan. This looks rosier in the pan than it swatches, I find. Rebecca from Not Fit for Print Beauty swatched and applied it also, and she's a shade darker than me, and even on her it looked quite warm. And wow, well, next to this bronzer it looks very rosy, and man, I really regret that shade of bronzer, but I hope it helps you. And I always miss the camera, it's here. Yeah, what else? That's actually it. Let's look at the lips. The Gucci gloss. Coincidentally, it was Rebecca as well, whose channel I just love. She's so funny, and she said this gloss would smell like the ashtray, old ashtray scent of an airplane, you know, back in the 80s and 90s. I remember that time, and when I was very small, and I don't see it. I don't get any old ashtray. Oh, it's cushiony. I really like the way that it feels on the lips, but you know, I was hoping to find a plumping gloss that would you know, diminish a bit the appearance of these lines. And funny enough, the only one until now, because I'm planning a big comparison video, the only one that actually managed to plump up these lines a bit was the regular lip oil by House Labs, not the plumping one, and the Huda one. Yeah, that one is very thick. I'll have to try that again. But my favorite's coming up soon, or yeah, I think by next week maybe I have it together, and then I'll present to you my favorite plumping glosses. I don't see that it really hurts that much, this gloss from Gucci. Let me see that up close once again. Now that I see it in the mirror, I almost feel like, did it plump up those lines a little bit? I mean, I'm actually making notes or taking notes, and so I will check back in maybe 30 minutes and write it down. If if they're nourishing, if they were plumping. No, it actually doesn't do badly. We'll see. Anything else? that that bronzer though, I'll have to spend a lot of time at an Italian beach to make the best of that. I think that's a good plan, and lots of pizza. I hope you have a very nice, pleasant Friday night. I'm off to cook dinner, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you want to subscribe. I'd love that, and I'd be thrilled to see you again. Bye bye. Whoop, where? Here.